Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I am back with another unboxing video. And in this video we are going to unbox Oppo A9 2020. But before we start the video guys, please make sure to subscribe the channel as we are very close to 1000 subscribers, and do follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link in description below. Okay, now let's jump to the first of all, let's talk about the display. So it comes with a 6.5 inches display, and the operating system is Android 9 Pie. And on the back side of the device we have some basic information about the device, like 48 megapixel ultra wide quad camera setup, and 5000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 665 chipset, and dual speakers Dolby Atmos. But the main highlight about this device are its 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Okay, now let's open the box. So the first thing we see inside the box is another box, and in this box we have let's see, okay, we have a silicone case and some paperwork and the SIM ejector tool. So let's keep these things aside, and here we have our device, Oppo A9 2020. It's in green color, marine green, as you can see, Oppo A9 2020. So let's get rid of this wrapper and turn on the device. Being turned on, so let's see what's more inside this box. So here we have typical Oppo earphones. You can see typical Oppo earphones, and charging cable. It's a type C charging cable, as you can see, USB type C charging cable, and power brick. It's a, I think, 2 ampere power brick. Yes, it's a 2 ampere power brick, so no fast charging option available here. You can see that the device is turned on. So at the front we have a 16 megapixel front camera, and on the right side we have the power button, and on the left side we have the volume buttons, and down below we have the charging slot and the earphone jack, and at the back side we have the fingerprint scanner and quad camera setup. So that's it for this video guys, and if you guys like the video, then please make sure to subscribe the channel and smash the like button. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve the target, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.